Hey guys, this is Dustin with ClicksGeek, and I'm back with a new Google Ads case study for a junk car client. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so you don't miss all the great Google Ads case studies and Google Ad training that we drop in here daily for you. Okay, let's dive into this campaign. This specific campaign, we're going to review it on a 30-day window, and it has a $166 per day budget. 150 clicks in 30 days, 83 conversions with a 55.33% conversion rate with an acquisition cost of $21.14 per lead and a total cost of $1,754.89. This specific campaign, we're driving both lead gen and calls. So the consumer can fill out the page or fill out the form on the page, and then they can also click to call on their mobile device or call from a landline, and all that tracks back into here. So let's dive into the ad groups. Okay, so here are the ad groups. You can kind of consider these. There's more of like a they're organized. They organize both the keywords and the ads themselves. So as you can see here, we have cash for junk cars, sell my junk car, we buy junk cars, and then each one of these communicate to the consumer specifically for like sell my junk car or cash for junk cars. It communicates in the ad, and then also it's targeting the keywords that they're actually searching for. So, and then in this specific campaign, we're doing a target acquisition cost of $19 right now. With the bulk of the conversions being driven are from this cash for junk car. So let's take a look at the actual keywords. All right, so you can see here we're using phrase match and exact match. Sell your junk car for cash, cash for junk car, no title. Cash for junk cars, we buy junk cars. You get the idea here. If you own a junk car business and you're interested in running a successful Google Ad campaign like the one I just reviewed, please use the application link in the description below. Fill that out, and our team can set up a campaign like this one for you and launch it for you in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.